Hello everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to introduce you to the harmonic patterns that are now working for my cryptocurrency data feed for Binance. So if you come into my YouTube channel at Quant Labs and just do a search for harmonics or harmonic, you'll be able to see all the difference in the harmonic patterns that I've talked about in the past. So we'll leave it at that. I'm not going to go into the introduction of anything here. Okay, so knowing all that, I'll show you what it generates. So in here, in this particular folder, we can get, might be better, I should show it this way. We can get bullish and bearish, basically patterns based on either usually hourly or daily. So here you can see we've got a crab for Binance, bullish, and here's the pair and the frequency or the time frame of daily. Same thing, bullish, crab, pair, as well as the hourly time as well. So I'm going to show you some of these. So as I said, we have both bearish and so we have all these bearish looking patterns among our, so we have over 438 of those. We also have the bullish, which is another 481. But we want to break them down because I don't know if you've seen my past recent videos I just put up concerning the daily versus hourly. I find that hourly is just too noisy. It's really hard to work with if you want to work with, particularly in this video I show that. It's a half-hour video. Actually it might be this one just getting uploaded here. It's called Auto Head and Shoulders with Other Indicators Reveals Some Algo Trading Among 300 Plus Crypto Coins. So once that's rendered, you'll be able to see it, which doesn't take too long. So that's what we're dealing with. And as I said, I'm only interested in the daily, not the hourly. Okay, so we now are able to whittle it down to 60 charts. So in that case, let's get rid of this word count thing. So now we have some random charts here that we can look at. So let me show you one just to show you what it looks like. So in this case, I'll look at this one, bullish crab, Binance, this pair daily. So basically all it shows is the complete pattern of what this is supposed to be looking like, a bullish crab. Okay, and another one, in this case I can show you an hourly, a Gartley, that one. Also, let me just show you maybe, I think Gartley, we've shown you a Gartley crab. There's a butterfly. As an example what this looks like, but you'll notice that the pattern is completely formed, and then it will tell you if it's bullish or not, and it will also filter out all the ones that may be useful. And then there's one more called the bat. I'll just pull that up maybe. Sorry, I'm on a little mouse right now, but here's a bullish bat. So based upon the pattern, how it forms, that's all historical. So that's all from that video, those videos I showed you in my YouTube channel on the bullish versus bearish. So let me pull back up my list here of all the bullish and bearish. So what I'm going to do is I'll pull one of the four. I'm just going to pull random ones, and what I want to show you is that the harmonic patterns are pretty close. I won't say 100% accuracy, but pretty damn close. I'm going to show you why with the signaling between just a moving average cross. So in this case, I'm only, again, focusing on bullish harmonic patterns and as well to only focus on daily patterns or daily time frames. So in my case, I'm going to look for this one called X, Y, C, B, and B daily. So this is the chart it's from. So I'm a little slow here because of the so let me just do this. So we want X, X, Z, C. Okay. So that's the BNB we want as well. So we're only going to focus on the daily yet again. So when I pull up that X, C, B, and B, yeah, that's what we want, B and B. So we want the daily X, Z, B, one day right here. So that's the daily trend. So what you'll see, it's above trend. Now to confirm the signal, we just pull up the signals one. Again, this is all random, but I don't think this is a good opportunity. But in there, you'll see that there's probably a cross, and at some point, a signal will get generated. Let me pull up a better one. Let me pull up this one, or WTC Ethereum. To be honest, I don't like it when they use these BNB base code, which is a Binance coin. So let me just pull this up here. WTC ETH. Okay. So here we go. Is it we want Ethereum? Sorry. WTC. Okay. So let's go with the Ethereum. WTC Ethereum. Now again, this can all be automated. We're just showing you how it's doing mechanically. So we want the daily WTC Ethereum trend. So it's in an uptrend. Let's see what the signal says. So you can see here, right there, we get a signal. So that harmonic pattern in conjunction with this buy signal work together. And that's the sort of thing I'm looking for to confirm some sort of entry. So let me try another one here. Now I'm going to go into the bullish butterfly and see if we can pull up here. I'll pull up this one, the wing WTPC. So let me just see what we can pull up here. So we want wing BTC. Again, okay, so we want daily right here. Okay, it's in a downtrend, but it's still above the trend, but it's on short. Let me see what the signal says. Once again, here, not quite a good example, but I don't know if I'd do that. But usually if you see a recent buy signal, that's something I will definitely want to do. So let's try this NEBL. Is it Nebula? I don't know. Nebula. And so I'm going to take my chances on this. So this is the NLBBNB. So again, let's check out the trend here. The trend is down. What do we got here? So again, yeah. But usually you can, the accuracy is really good if you can confirm it with a, let's see the MTL, BTC, MT. Wow, without a mouse, I don't know how people can do this, but whatever. MTL, so we want this one, BTC, daily. Let's hope this one works. So it's in the downtrend, it's above trend. So it's very close. So that might be something to watch out for. So it's kind of works. Okay, let me show you another one for let's try. So we hit the bat. Let's try the crab. Bullish crab. BTC. Okay, so that looks like it's a bullish crab. BTC US dollars. That might be an interesting one. That's the granddaddy of them all. So BTC US dollar daily US dollar. That must be it here. Okay, so it's now back up. Looks like it's back up into an uptrend, or it could be. Let me just check on the signaling here. Is it sell? Yeah, I don't know. But let me try one more here. So it did check a bunch. RDN. Okay. RDN. Okay, so we want RDN. Oops. RD. So that was RDN Ethereum. RDN Ethereum signaling trend. Let's see what it says here. It's above trend again. The signaling. See, this is where the crosses happen, and that might be a signal to buy. But you can always compare among other factors if it's worthwhile. But you can see it's undervalued, so it may be worthwhile. Okay, one last pair I'm going to look at. Let me just look at the MCO. Now, remember, these are all random. MCO against Ethereum. Okay, MCO, Ethereum. We just care about right now the trend. MCO, Ethereum, day trade. That's the one. The trend, above trend. The signaling. Again, it looks like it could cross, but it won't be. I mean, it's not. The return I would expect is pretty well pennies. You ain't gonna make a living doing that, but the reliability of this is pretty good. Combined with the harmonic pattern and a bullish signal. I could probably do one more. Let's try this steam. Okay, steam against BTC. Steam. Don't forget we have the hourly as well. As I said, I wouldn't. So we're just coming up to the trend line here. Let's see what the signal says. Again, it's a down, but the very last bar is interesting. So that might mean it might have some momentum on the way up. So who knows on that, but I really don't think I'd do it unless I see an actual buy signal from the signals chart combined with the pattern. I don't really care what pattern it is, but as long as it's bullish. But it's quite interesting. But I thought I'd just share that with you and let you know it's available, or it works, or it's working. Talk to you later.